Hi to everyone. This is the cooking show of Group 1 of Grade 7 Board. We now are about to present
our specialty. But before that,
let us tell you all the needed ingredients. We will make the adobo pork chop. For our adobo pork chop, these are the ingredients. 2 kilograms of pork liempo, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of whole pepper, salt and pepper to taste, and lastly, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil.
Kanta kayo tubig.
Guys, camera!
Bakit ang taba ng baboy? Ito, bayo.
Ano, sa gitna ba?
Ha?
Yung baboy.
Oo. O, diba, nandali ko na yung isda.
Saan dyan?
Okay na yan. Pwede na yan.
Church, di ganyan.
Hindi ako mapunong. Sensya na.
Wala nga.
Okay. Di ba dapat meron kang sa marunong? Check na ako ng bago.
Naglalagay pa ba ng sauce?
First, heat cooking oil in a wide and deep pan. Once the oil is hot, pan fry the pork chops, turning them over once each side. Once the oil is hot, pan fry the pork chops, turning them over once each side turns light to medium brown. This will take around 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your pork chop.
Cut. Konti pang halo, konti pang halo.
The pork is being medium brown. You need to put the garlic. Next is the peppercorn and the bay leaves. Continue to cook until the garlic turns light brown. It may be 2 to 3 minutes.
Cut.
Next, put the water. And then the soy sauce.
Ooh.
Bring it to a boil.
Cover and simmer until the liquid reduces to half. You can add more water if needed.
After simmering, we will now put the vinegar. And again, we will mix it. While we are doing the adobo pork chop, let us do first our dessert, which is entitled Mango Graham Cake. So now here are our cookers, Andrea, Beatrice, and Christine. Say hi to them.
Hi! For the filling, we need the all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Just put it there. Stick.
Pinagpas mo na lang yung gatas kaya.
And now they are mixing the filling.
For the last layer or the topper layer, here is the final procedure.
The Grahams has worked goodbye.
And then, pour the filling.
Grahams has worked goodbye.
Then, we will put the top mango. Pour the mango.
Grahams was brought to you by After they finish topping the Grahams, they will now sprinkle the crushed Grahams. And then after sprinkling, they will now put the lid and then place it to the freezer. Now Andrea will cover, and then we will put now the mango graham cake into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Samahan papunta.
Maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Kaya, ang susunod na maririnig niyo, ang unang kantang kami apat mismo ang sumulat. Ang kantang nagpasikat ang hambak na dama.
Wait for a few hours and then get the cake. It's ready to serve.